Alright, so it's 23rd February. Okay, let's start analyzing the charts. We have no news today. We can also see this daily that we worked with previous week. Most of the days. The second part of the week, I would say. So we can see that the price didn't go through the daily. It did on Nasdaq, but that's not the big deal. It's okay for me. For me, we didn't go through the zone, especially VS showing it for us. I can see multiple liquidity in the bottom. 1, 2, 3. So for me, this is the high resistance liquidity run. I assume we might pretend to target the previous day low today. Let's mark it out. Try this previous day low. Okay. Let's mark previous day high because it's very close to it now. Let's do it. I already can see that the price is a bit not in the sync, which is not good. Because if price will just keep going, we will not do anything sync, I will not be able to participate. I'm not going to be interested in that. So here's our key areas. One of the key areas, previous the high, previous the low. Let's go to 4 hour now. What else do I see? You can see that we inversed this for our time frame for value gap, which is actually good for longs. It means for me, it means that we are more likely to reach previous day high, but there is a problem. The problem is the price not in sync. Lastly, sadly, it's not. Okay, well now. Okay, we inverse this hourly value gap. Small, but still good. Still really good. Let me make it on the top so I can see it better. And there was no value gap, and yes, nice push now. So I feel like I'm going to look for continuation towards this previous day high. Alright, that's good. I don't like it already. It's very close to being here, so ideally I want to see retracement to the downside now and then potential continuation and targeting this previous day high, but I feel like this is not gonna happen. Yep. Okay. I can see that's 5 minutes for value gap. And this one that was before market open, but we can see the price respects it with a nice rejection now. Hmm. Let's take a look. Okay, actually price is not actually price is in sync. It's not in sync really, but it's not that bad. I can see the SMT here. Let me mark it. I can see something here. The first presented for value gap is, okay, we don't have first presented yet on Nasdaq, but we have it on yes. Let me mark it. Alright, SMT is not valid anymore. Okay, it's crazy push to the downside. Okay, we have first presented on the Nasdaq now. A bit hard to navigate the market now. We took out London high, failed to invert the daily. That's interesting. Let me check 5 minutes. We didn't even consider lower prices yet, but do I think we need this previous day high? I don't think so, because we're in the daily for value gap. We just need the reaction from it to go lower. This is good liquidity, important liquidity for us. So I start to feel like price is a bit. That's not that in sync. I mean, Nasdaq is much weaker than yes. That's what I see. Not equal lows. No, not equal lows. That's hard. I don't really know, do I need to go lower, because I can see this survival gap here, so we might push to the at least to this survival gap. Okay, let me move to 15 minutes. Nice push after the buy set was taken. Potential Y22 entry model forming up to the downside on the 15 minutes time frame. I like that. I actually like that. If we can close below, that would be amazing. Yes, it's really bad on yes, but it's amazing on Nasdaq. The fact that we have that big SMT tells me about the fact that I'm interested in longs. I start to think that we are more likely to reach previous the high today on yes, but not on Nasdaq. I think on Nasdaq we're more likely to keep low, pushing it lower for now, and then maybe to reach some sort of this area, which is nice. The first presented is a bit too high, but it's okay. That looks like a good manipulation of the London highs. The market is not that easy now. So let's go through what do I need to consider longs or shorts. So if I want to enter shorts, then I need what? Then I want to see, first of all, I want to see market structure shift. That's the first thing I need. The second thing I need is price to go through this hourly. Let me check how this look. Alright. Okay, I start to feel like I'm interested in longs because I think I'm interested in longs right now, at least towards this 50% area. Let's see. That's one of the fair value gaps. Wait, net open. It's not big net open. The market structure shift. Wow, the SMT is massive. The SMT is massive. I'm also gonna take it into account. The SMT is actually massive, massive, massive. And I like that. I'm potentially looking for longs now till this area. Let's wait a bit. What is this? It's 1 hour for value gap that was inverted already a few times. Oh no, it's not inverted, it's respected. It's good then, that's nice. Then I like that. Oops, nice push. Let me try to trade it. Okay, I'm opening the Nasdaq, a mini Nasdaq. I'm not interested in actually. Let me check the MES as well, just in case I decide to. Maybe I want to enter there. Actually, MES doesn't look better. Okay, my plan is simple. In order to enter, I want to see this market structure shift. As soon as price goes through it with a displacement, or at least with this rejection as I have right now, I enter immediately to the upside till the. Okay, it's 10 seconds more. Nice, I like that. Okay, let me buy. I will just go with the 2 units in case we go through it. Oh wow, it's such a big difference between me and Nasdaq, and because on Nasdaq it's here, but okay, let me put this stop loss for now. Okay, so 24,857. 857, and that's gonna be 2 minutes. Nice. I think we have 30 seconds inversion here. I'll first retest it, so let's wait a bit. I'm not gonna risk, I'm gonna risk just 2 units for now. Like that push. If 30 seconds closes above this place, I'm interested. So I'm waiting just 10 seconds more. Okay, I'm not buying yet. Let's wait a bit. My take profit is actually I'm still thinking, but ideally I want to enter from here with this stop loss, as already told. I would like to go break even after reaching this revalue gap, and then I'd like to target this high. But first I need to wait a bit to see whether it's a good idea or not. Now, what do I need to enter shorts? I of course ideally expect. Okay, let me focus on this one first, then I will think about it later. I like that move, I like that push. I think there is a 30 seconds inversion, otherwise you cannot explain why price fails to invert this so much. So let's just wait 5 seconds more. If that closes like this, yep, I'm entering. Nice. Okay, I'm in position. So as already told, my full take profit is this area, and my yeah, my stop loss here. I entered a bit late, I think. Yes, I did, because no, actually not. No, I didn't. So let's say I like the push. Okay, 0.5 reached here, 0.5 reached on Nasdaq. So I'm going break even straight away, because when I see these kind of things, I want to go break even as ASAP. Let's see. The rest I'm not interested in. For the rest, I'm just interested in. I'm not taking partials. That's something I backtested a few times already. I sold 4 times already during the February. Usually when we have this 15 minutes, 5 minutes Y22 entry model. In our case, I think it's 5 minutes, right? No, it's 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Here we go. Here it is. Yeah, market structure shift. I think on Nasdaq it's better to see. 5 minutes. So yeah, 15 minutes time frame. We can see that the price making the market structure shift. Then price comes into fair value gap, high time frame fair value gap. So I expect to see 1 minute Y22 entry model, and then I want to go break even as soon as we delivers to one of the PDRAs, either 50 discount percent, either the 5 minutes fair value gap like it's here, or the first presented. The first presented is quite high, so I was literally just waiting for the 50%, which is my premium area. So it is. I feel like I might close the half of the position now, but I don't think I should, honestly. Maybe gonna wait a bit. So anyway, the position, maybe I can close partials. Okay, I think it's pointless now because I'm gonna be stopped out now. Yep, I'm stopped out, but let's see. So do I need to go long now? I think I'm not interested in longs anymore. Potentially I might consider shorts in case, in which case I'm interested in longs. I don't know. I think I'm interested in longs only if, so there's hourly for value gap. The crazy SMT in the bottom. I don't even know. What is this daily? What is it? What is that? I don't understand this. Okay, it's daily here. Okay, I'm gonna mark it on the top because it confuses me a bit. So let's go drop to hourly again. Hard to say for now. I think we still might go lower or higher. It's already 50-50 scenario now. I like this 5 minutes inversion, I'm not gonna lie. We came back into this inversion, now we're rejecting. I think I think despite we drop to this hourly Frivalent gap, it says that we are more likely to push for longer. I feel like we might do enter on yes anyway, because that's the same Frivalent gap is just here. So I like that. I like that. Here is some sort of range. We have some handles to target. So amazing push to lower. Perhaps I just want to see now full inversion of this hourly. Not hourly, I think this hourly. Yeah, this hourly. Yep. If we can close below, that would be amazing. 5 minutes more. After that kind of things, when price just accumulating, I used to see that. No, or maybe yes. I just wanted to say that after this cumulative candles, we're more likely to push lower very crazy. And just saw it multiple times. We also almost have this inversion, so I like that. Let's see. We came into the 5 minutes revival gap, displaced a market structure shift to the downside. How many minutes till the it's 5 minutes? Okay, maybe we'll wait a bit. Let me check it. Okay. I don't know, I like this displacement, but I want to see more confirmation. Also SMT here. I see that this for value gap holding the price. This 1 minute for value gap. So it seems like it might be inversion. I think if it's inversing, I might consider shorts. But also I want 5 minutes closure. I really want to see this 5 minutes closure first. Okay, there's still no inversion, so let's wait. That's nice actually, I like that, because the fact that price tries to hold in the fair value gap, it means that this fair value gap, the hourly one, this one, the hourly, it means that it's really strong, so I like that. But overall, if we look at the price, we see accumulation, manipulation, London low high taken, immediate displacement to the downside. So I just wait a bit. I already entered position, which was good. I just applied my entry model and I'm break even. It means that I already have potentially have entry model and good risk management for that, because I closed it immediately after reaching the 50% PDA rate and 5 minutes PDA rate. But for now, let's just wait a bit. I think I will maybe even enter on Nasdaq in case we. But I want to see this inversion first, ideally. Eventually, I need the confirmation to go lower, because I don't think we will go higher, honestly. I'm trying to understand what I want to see to enter lower shorts. I think it's like 2 more minutes until the hourly closes and until the 5 minutes closes. So if we can stay the same way as it is right now, I think I'm entering shorts. I maybe even gonna enter right now because I like it. The only question, will I enter on yes or Nasdaq? And the stop loss will be crazy. I'm gonna lie. I can see that Nasdaq weaker, right? It is weaker. Yeah, it's much weaker. So maybe I can consider shorts on Nasdaq instead. Let's see first if the yes will close the way I want it to be closed. Plus I want to see. Okay, so you see, we also inversing this 15 minutes for value gap, which is amazing confidence for me. I like that. I like this 15 minutes for value gap, and I have literally nothing until this sell side is delivered. So yep, I'm entering. I would think I'm entering on the yes instead. Yeah. I think I'm trigger this then. Immediate placement, stop loss placement. Okay, so I kind of have big stop loss, so maybe I'll go for 2 units. Okay, let's wait a bit. It's not closed yet. It's close, should be close soon. Okay, let's just sell here. I don't know where should I put my stop loss. I don't like that. My stop loss is too big and I entered on yes instead of mini yes. I'm so crazy, man. I'm doing the same mistakes. Okay, I'm going partials. I'm closing the position immediately because I don't want to reopen it on the other pair, so I'm closing it immediately, leaving just one contract. Playing out and targeting this sell side here. Confirm. Why I didn't lose position partially yet? I already wrote I want to close it. Okay, nice. Now it's executed. Okay, my stop loss, my take profit will go here. My stop loss, I don't know. Oh my god, how did I enter them? Okay, I closed both of them, so I can go to MBS now and potentially reopen it until it's too late. So we just sell. Okay, I'm gonna go for 2 units. Okay, it's crazy push to the upside. Wait, how the 5 minutes time frame closed? Okay, I like that push. Probably now I want to see the inversion. I like that push. I don't think price will keep going higher. I think it just creates me widening the differential model one more time. So let me check it. It's nice that we are pushing lower, higher, I mean. Okay, I feel like I want to right now. I'm opening 2 units. Not the same mistake again, please. Okay, sell 2 units. Sell here. So as I already told, my take profit and sell. So I just work manually. Actually, I think not having a stop loss is a bad idea, but let's wait a bit. I think so my target is 6886. 6886. And my stop loss will be here because I like that retracement and I don't think I want to see the push lower, the higher. I mean, I don't want to see push higher. So that's my position for today. The second position for today. I mean, let's see how it plays out. I'm a bit nervous though, but in my opinion, it's a good position. It may be a little bit risky because my stop loss placement is a bit too short, but too small. But overall, I like the fact that we have the inversion here. So that's a confirmation for me. Okay, we have a push higher now. Let's see if price can hold up. I don't want to see push higher because I don't have PD raise here, except this inversion for Valaga, but it was taken already. That's exactly why I don't want to see price being going higher. But I don't like this accumulation. Honestly, I just hate this accumulation. That's not good. But I like the way price pushing lower now. It confirms me that we might see lower prices. I don't really like this accumulation, to be honest. I just hate it. It's really bad accumulation. Okay, full take profit target is delivered. Nice. So I'm closing my position immediately. It should be closed manually by automatically. Nice. So okay, I was right about my position. I just made a mistake. I had to take one contract here, and my full take profit target was lower. Oh, okay. I'm a bit dumb again. But okay, let's just wait and see how it's gonna be. Will the price even deliver it or not? Okay, yeah. So my full take profit target would be delivered as well. Okay, we might potentially consider more shorts later. Let's just wait a bit. Honestly, what I want to note for myself for the future, I was really nervous about this trade. Um, I felt very nervous. I wanted to close position too early. I stopped myself from doing that, but I was very close to do it. The other thing is, the other thing I was very scared for this trade. It means that I don't have entry model yet for this, which is one of the reasons. The second reason is I am still afraid to accept the risk. Unfortunately, it's true. The third problem is that I didn't confirm myself, didn't give myself enough confirmations. I had enough confirmations to enter the shorts, but I just didn't do it for myself in my brain, so I can be psychologically calm. So this one, I would say, these are three reasons why I was so nervous. I didn't, uh, I didn't shake or anything. It just feeling the nervousness by desire to close trade earlier. But it's okay. For now, I just want to. For now, I just want to say that it's a good trade. Um, I don't think I want to trade more for now. The SMT is not valid here anymore, as I understand. The only thing I understand with this market structure shift is actually it seems like valid. So for me, it means that we're more likely to deliver at least towards this side. Till the Asia low, maybe not till previous day low, but till the Asia low at least 100%. Where is the sell side? But we found, so far we found a nice, we have a nice reaction from this hourly. So I'm not interested in shorting this yet. Do I think we still might push higher? I think so because honestly I want to see lower prices. I like the way we came approach this daily for value gap. Plus we are close to inversing this 4 hour. I think I think the price is not even not. I think price one of the reasons why price is still in this range, the simulation here, is this 4 hour time frame for value gap. Along with this hourly. So I think as soon as we are closing below this 4 hour time frame, which we didn't do yet, then we might consider our shorts. But so far, I'm not interested yet. We closed below though. That's a good. That's a good. I like that. Okay, what do I need to enter the shorts? What do I want to see to enter shorts? I can see that we have this 15 minutes for value, 15 minutes by 22 inch model. Market structure shift here, yeah. We don't have, yeah, we have a SMT on the top. I like this push to the upside, 50% inversion for value gap retrace, retest, and then immediate entry. I like that. I like that. So in order to go lower, I think I want to see this 4 hour time frame inversion, which already happened. It's nice, but then it means I'm interested in continuation trades. But one of the most important things for me when I'm looking for continuation trades, especially in this case scenario, I am interested in a higher time frame, which is 3 minutes time frame inversion for value. So maybe I want to see how this 5 minutes next 5 minutes candle will be. Will what will the next 5 minutes candle will do, and based on that, if we can probably push higher, find find place where we're gonna stop here, and then we're gonna make the 3 minutes inversion for value gap. I'm gonna targeting the sell side, but there is one more thing I don't like about this situation right now. It's the fact that we just formed bottom during the macros, so it's the final minute of the macros time. So as soon as we fail to as soon as we go lower than this macros, I'm immediately interested in short prices. So let me quickly mark it as macros. Okay, nice. So here we go. I would say that's potentially my entry model. So maybe I will not. Maybe I will not even wait for this 5 minutes. Oh no, we have a nice reaction. Nice. So maybe if we can hold, if price can reject here in this 5 minutes for value gap, and if we gonna have this market structure shift at the same time failing to at the same time we need to see the macros failure. So in this case I want to see price go a bit even lower than the MSS. Even the week just below this will be enough to confirm that these macros are not valid anymore, and based on that I can build the next trade. I like this inversion. I like that inversion. I really do. Let's wait a bit. This hourly is still valid for value gap, so I need to wait a bit. And it also reverse the fair value here is here. Okay. I think we might push higher, but yeah, 100% we can push higher, but I need more context to push higher. First of all, I need at least this 5 minutes inversion for value gap to push higher. Maybe in that case I'm interested in longs, but I don't think we will push higher, honestly. I don't think we will. Usually when there is a push and there is accumulation is there for two reasons. We either want to either want to keep pushing lower or reverse and going to the other side, which is going higher in our case. But here's displacement to the downside. 5 minutes for value holding the price perfectly. This 1 minute inversion confirming the idea of that. We just retraced into the 1 minute inversion and showing there's an amazing fraction. Here's the confirmation that the macros were just failed. So I'm interested in the shorts now. I will not go shorts. I can see yes is much weaker. I can see that yes is much weaker, but where do I want to target? I have no idea. There are also multiple value gaps, so let's maybe wait 1 more minute so we can confirm that idea by 5 minutes candle closure above or below. Because if we're gonna stay below, then I'm interested in shorts 100%, but so far not yet. The other thing is where do I want to target if in case I decide to enter, that's the thing. Because I just can see that we are building the price literally just retracing from this for value gap. that's so much, but I need more confirmation, honestly. I really need. It's 14 seconds more. Okay, can we close below? We can, I think we can. I'm shorting, yes, I think, in that case. 2 units again. Okay, let's see. Do we? No, we didn't close below. Hmm. Macros were failed, so, but it was not failed on Nasdaq. So, don't think I really want to. Actually, we were already close below this rival gap, so why I'm still. Because I have macros, yeah, that's the reason. Maybe. Honestly, I just want to see displacement. As soon as I see displacement, I just entering with the stop loss behind this low, behind this high, I mean. Honestly, that's it. That's all I need now. I don't think I can see that yes is a bit weaker now. It's so weird because at first Nasdaq was weaker, now yes seems to be weaker. Much weaker. I'll even have weaker S&T here. Okay, I still want to see. I don't really understand what I want to see, honestly. I want to enter, but I don't really understand what I want to see. Because market is so seem to be so different. It's just different, you know? Wait, is it equal lows? Oh my god, it's equal lows. I didn't even notice it at first. Let me check again and let me confirm if it's actually equal lows. No, it's not equal lows, but it's still valid sell side, right? Still valid sell side. I really want to enter, but I need to avoid chasing the trades by following my model. My model says if I want to enter continuation, then I need to see move to the upside. In this case scenario, then 3 minutes inversion, and only after 3 minutes inversion I can enter. So far, I don't even have fair value here, except this beautiful 5 minutes fair value gap that holding the price perfectly. You can also see that the price is actually failing to go through this hourly. But again, let's wait a bit. All I can see for now is that I literally have S&T both ways, which means that the market is a bit in the range right now. So I really want to see this range being violated. Otherwise, I'm not interested in shorts yet. I don't know. I don't really want to see longs, honestly. I feel like we want to see lower prices today. I feel like we might push to the previous level. Where is it, by the way? Where the previous level today? Where is it? Okay, it's this one. Yeah. It's this one. Yep. Okay, maybe not previous level, but at least sell side, Asian sell side at least. No, not yet, not yet. On Nasdaq, well, yes, I can see this gap. Macros failed on yes, but not on Nasdaq. The thing is, I would consider this longs here after this 5 minutes inversion, because this macros here is empty, but I don't think we need to target this buy side, go to till this buy side, because we already been there. We already filled the imbalance. That's why I'm so bearish now. I'm extremely bearish, especially this 5 minutes rival gap is holding the price like it's holding the price crazy. like it's the most important for value gap of the day, you know. I feel like price is beating not in sync today because uh, it looks weird, but at first Nasdaq was weaker. Now yes, seems to be weaker, but I have no idea. Is it 5 minutes? Yeah, 5 minutes closed and then failed to invert it anyway. Okay, I'm still bearish. I think I'm not gonna consider look at the market as soon as we invert this because as already told we might push higher, but I don't know why we need this, especially when we're so bearish and after this beautiful manipulation. I feel like this sell set is just about patience, about being patient because for higher prices I don't really see anything there unless we want to accumulate. Also, it's not news Monday, so I feel like there's a chance that we might deliver the sell side only tomorrow when the news will come up. So come into play. But so far I don't like it. I don't really like it. I feel like I can answer shorts but longs, but for that I don't even know what I need. This 5 minutes inversion is not enough for me to enter. Definitely not enough. Okay, I want to wait a bit. Okay, at what point I'm not interested in trading today anymore at all. I think I'm not interested in trading that as soon as we maybe go through this 5 minutes for value gap here because this still might hold the price though, and we need to fill this imbalance. So I feel like yeah, this might be my reason. Interesting fact is that macros were formed that failed on yes, but not on Nasdaq. Okay, 5 minutes time frame. It's 2 minutes more until we can finally see if this is going to be inverted or not. This looks like on 3 minutes though. Okay, no for value gap, sadly. Sadly, we don't have for value gap, not on 2 minutes, not on 3 minutes, obviously not on 4. It's not obviously, but it's not on 4 minutes either. Maybe 1 minute. No, even not on 1 minute. Okay. Okay, let's wait. Let's just wait. Is this sell side? Oh my god. This sell side is so close to on yes. Okay, I think I might consider shorts and not yes for real instead. I think definitely wait this 5 minutes for value gap holding the price, honestly. I really do. Maybe if I can see the closure below this hourly, I'll probably target lower prices. Nice, I like this push. Okay, it's a good push though. But I don't really know what I need to see. Maybe I want to see market structure shift here. I mean this one. I want to see this market structure shift. Okay, oh my god, we still might pose a bow. Oh my god. That's going to be a hard session. All you can see is that just another SMT was formed. That's it. Nothing else. Okay, so 5 minute candle just closed inside. So it made an indecisive candle, right? Especially on Nasdaq. Yeah, it did. Oh my god, that's actually good because honestly, this accumulation says to me like if I just stay patient, I feel like I might catch really good short. That's what I feel like right now. Okay, let's just wait a bit. The price is not in sync at all. I mean, if I can find the bottom here, but the top here in this place somewhere, that would be so amazing. But I just cannot. I need to confirm this idea. I'm afraid that honestly, I need this 5 minutes closure below this hourly for value gap. But at the same time, I feel like if I will wait for that, I will just miss the whole trade because we will have such a crazy displacement to the sell side. That's what I think I'm more likely to clash with today. Now, I think we're gonna break through this 5 minutes for value gap on Nasdaq. Honestly, I feel like we might push lower, but only during the PM session because for few reasons. First of all, we're in accumulation right now, and I feel like I would even say I think we will not even reach the sell side today if price will actually close above this 5 minutes value gap, because this is literally last hope. If price will close above this 5 minutes value gap, it's more likely that we will reach at least this value gap on ES, which means that we are more likely to reach this buy side on Nasdaq, and that will that will just make the price probably to accumulate for the whole day, because we literally did at least the minimum that we probably, I mean, not the minimum, but I think the price literally did everything potentially what it had to do. It took the London high, stayed below the daily for value gap, then inversed to 5 minutes, went to the lower, made the market share shift, came into discount, went lower. Now we're in this. Okay, now actually, I think we might potentially find something now. Okay, I like that push. It's 2 minutes until 5 minutes candle, but I like that push already. Do I want to enter straight away? I feel like I do. I like this displacement, I really like it. Okay, if we're not gonna close below this, I'm not interested. If we do, then I think I will enter. But I will not risk a lot, but I think I'm really eager to enter this trade. I really am. Given despite we still did not confirm the idea that 5 minutes, I will put the stop loss just above this high swing low. Okay, I'm selling here, nice. So now my stop loss, I want to put my stop loss. So technically I need to put somewhere above this place because it's 5 minutes for value gap here, so maybe below behind this candle. So behind this candle, and my take profit target is this sell side here, which is 8668715. 68. Wait, what? Подожди, 8, 8, 6, 8. 8, 6, 8. Бля, конечно, стоп-лосс вообще ни о чем. ВТП вообще, конечно, блядь, так близко еще. Но не должен быть в этом трейде по фактам. I cannot be in this trade. It's... No, wait. 868. 868, yeah, I cannot be in this trade, in this trade, I cannot. Because my stop loss and the profit are too bad. But the trade may be still valid, but it's oh my god, that's a big problem for me now. But the reason why I can go with a less with a stop loss higher, lower, I mean, because this candle is the 5 minutes for value gap above here, right? So technically that's what I should do. Maybe I can consider maybe show lower prices to decrease the low, but as I told, I don't think we're gonna get there. Okay. Okay, I don't risk that much anyway, so I'm totally fine to trade that. But technically I can be in this trade. No, I cannot. For many reasons. For many reasons. It's still good trade though, but okay. Let me check how much money did I make by trading the today's trade or history, balance history. 112.50, nice. $100. In fact, I break even if I even lose this trade. I feel like I want this person to the downside. I don't want price to go lower, so maybe I can go like this, and I will eventually make some money anyway. And here at least I have 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. So even if I'm stopped out, I'm okay with that. The trade is not that big, so that's my initial take profit target. So I'm just gonna keep it like this for now, so I can remember it when I'm journaling. I don't like the fact that price finds some sort of rejection here, but it should be fine. If we can close like this, then I'm more than happy with this. You see, rejection again. That's, I need to check, but how does it look like on no, I just really want to see it. No, we inversed everything. No, I'm extremely bearish now, honestly. I'm really bearish. I don't know why I put this kind of stop loss when take profit when in fact I have take profit here. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we might. Hard situation, really hard. But let's see. Okay, maybe I can protect my position by placing it a bit higher, because I have my take profit also lower. Okay, let's see it. Okay. Okay, let's see, maybe the price will deliver it to the sell side anyway, without inversing this 5 minutes for our gap. But let's see. Let's just see it. In that case, I'm stupid as fuck, but that's okay. Okay, I think that's it for today. If something, I will just post this trade later. No, actually, I want to sit and look. I want to wait, because I feel like we are more likely to displace lower soon. Because of this crazy rejection, I feel like it might happen now. Okay, so in fact I'm just $50 profit today. Wait. I'm not 50 profit. Yeah, I'm $50 profit. Yeah. I had 3 trades today. This was almost third one. Okay, if price will actually push lower now, then I'm fucking stupid. I mean, I'm stupid anyway. I'm risking more than I'm willing to earn, but it's better to make dumb decisions on paper trading rather than on live account, in my opinion. So I think if price will close like this, then the next candle is more likely to deliver to the sell side. I like this engulfing candle, honestly, I like it. I'm not sure will the price even. Let's see here. Yeah, it's delivered. So okay, let's go through each trade. The first trade is good. There's something what I backtested a few times, and that's one of the epiphanies that I found. I'm still working on it, so it seems like a good trade, good risk management as well. The second trade is I was really nervous because I was not good in terms of making enough confirmation for my brains, so I feel psychologically free. Eventually, the trade is still good. I like that trade. It's a really good trade. And the third trade, I'm just twice dumb as fuck because the first reason I'm willing to risk more than I make. That's just fucked up. Mm, it means also that I'm forcing the trades. I'm afraid to lose the. I'm afraid to miss out the trade to make the profits. So at the same time, I'm moving the stop loss as dumb idiot, knowing that there is a 5 minutes time frame for vol gap that holding the price crazy. So I just had to have the stop loss. Anyway, I'm three times dump in the third trade, but the first two trades are good. I mean, even the third trade is pretty good, but my decisions are just stupid, really stupid. But okay, I'm here to learn, right? So that's it for today.